Alright, it's football Sunday. We're gonna do some chicken, and we're gonna do a garlic buffalo chicken. We're using the offset smoker today, which we haven't really been using because we've been cooking out back and in the woodland a lot. So what better time to get the offset out than a football Sunday? And have some buffalo garlic wings. Usually with chicken I do more of a sweet flavor or spicy. So we'll switch it up today. Of course, our friend the train stops by. Alright, I'll see you on the other side and we'll be back. Alright, we're going to get the chicken on now. Grate's a little hot. Sure, you can see I have foil pans in my cooking chamber lined with parchment paper. Butcher paper, not parchment paper. That's just to help catch drippings and easy cleanup. Alright, we'll be back when we spritz them. Alright, they've been going for about 30 minutes. We're just going to give them a light spritz of apple juice. And we'll let them keep going. Alright, we're going to do a temp check real quick. Yeah, we still got a ways to go. Right in the 140 range. All of them. So we will spritz and let them roll. Alright, our chicken is done. It's got the nice color I wanted. No sauce.
Is it balling or is it falling?
Ballin'.
Falling.